Today I'm going to be taking you on a restoration journey on this bicycle. I believe that restoring the bicycle is a good starting place in a restoration journey. Where could something be left to get rusted out? Well, the answer might just shock. Hello everyone. Welcome to the first part of my old rusty bike restoration video series, in which I take this old Huffy bicycle, which is made back in the 1900s. I don't know if it's the 1980s or 1990s, maybe even the 1960s or 70s. I don't really know which year it was made in, but I'm going to restore it completely, repaint, get all, most of the rest off. I'm going to add a motor on it and make it a motorized bicycle. So this is what the bike looks like. It's all rusted out, and I'm going to restore it today, part of it today. Going to try to get these fenders off. Look at that bug right there. What kind of bug is that? I don't know what that kind of bug is. Anyway, I'm going to try to get all the rust off and everything, repaint it, and put a motor on it. I got PB Blaster, which does good with rust. Later, I'm going to have to take off the whole tire. Obviously, this didn't work. The bolt was spinning in place. Okay, plan B. It's so rusted out that I'm going to have to break it off if I can find the right angle. However, this one didn't work either. I just couldn't find the right angle to hit it from. Plan C. Just going to take off the tire completely.
There's probably another square bolt in the back.
Yeah, that might work. Bro, that's tightening it. An old rusty bike is one of the easiest things to restore, and if you work with motors in the motorbike industry, you would be able to move up to other better projects. I have no idea what this thing is. It has a wire going up to the handlebars that you kind of revved up, but I don't know what it does. I'm just going to have to cut the wire. It's in the way. I can't get to the bolt. So I'm going to cut it off, turn this, because you could probably always buy one of those later on. There we go. Now this thing's coming off. The person before us only taped it right here. So get that tape off. I don't recommend using wire cutters for this tape. It still won't fit. Oh, never mind. Doing this kind of made the chain lock up, and so I had to get that off separately. Got it. Wait, that's tightening it. Oh, that's tightening it. Huh. Moving on to the seat now. The reason why this bike is so rusted out was that it was stored. A bug just came out of that hole. In a chicken coop for many years, and so it got dirty. The reason why it was stored in there is still a mystery. This thing, I need your help again. I need to get some pliers and hold that nut over there. Got this off the little basket. So I'm going to take off this part, the handlebars. Shouldn't be too hard. Come on, on, screw. How deep is this? Oh. Dang. That screw was huge.
Huh?
Hold on. There you go, got the screw off. Got that part off.
I don't know which way is up.
No. I'm not gonna zoom out for this one. Okay, I know where these goes now. Okay. Now taking this off, I'm gonna need the screws under there. Gonna need a little one for that. Yeah, see that screw down there? Gonna have to get to it. You might have to have a something else. Brakes are in the way. Unless I just go like this. I think this one might be too small. Nope. Small. Yeah, it might be too small. So I need a bigger one.
Sure it's not the other set?
No, it's this set because it's the same as the other screws, but it's just way too hard to get in there.
Oh.
Oh, that's actually better. It breaks down the rust. There we go. Super small, tiny one.
Yeah.
Like my.
The PB Blaster. It says it's a revolutionary valve that sprays upside down. It helps with rusted bolts, nuts, pipe threads, etc. The original nut and bolt buster.
So this is what I did. You can't.
Not in focus.
I added the extension, so it should work now. Yeah. This should be a whole lot easier now. It's too small. No, wait, no, got it. Got it. I got it. Oh, I got it. Finally.
I will say you probably want to go and replace all of them.
Yeah.
Hold on.
We took this chrome tire pad thing off. I'm going to get all the rust off, but it's time to get the other one off. See all the rust?
It is not focused. There we go.
See all that rust? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to PB blast this chain. It's so rusted out. I'm going to have to buy a new chain just to see if it would help get the chain out. Might be so rusted where I can't do that. Might have to grind it off or break it off one. Kind of jammed it. Yeah, the only thing I can do now is actually grind this part off, get that off, then cut it right here, and then possibly here, and maybe right there. Get off here. But I could take the chain guard off.
I did not realize at the time, but there was something undesirable hiding in the bolts of the seat. As you can see here, there are bugs and falling out of this thing. Tons and tons of them. Now, I don't know if that white was some eggs or a cocoon or anything. I don't know. And that one just crawls out and fell. Most of them, when they crawled out, they crawled under something and died. They're the weirdest bugs I have ever seen. And they're just like the one I showed earlier in this video.
What in the world? There's a nest of bugs in there. Okay, so I've seen it. The way to get rust off of only chrome surfaces is to ball up aluminum foil and get a cup of water, soak it in water, and then just scrub it. I'm going to see if that actually works. So here we go.
Don't believe everything on the internet. This did not work.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to rinse the bike off. I might want to get move these pools out of the way. Don't want to rust out these. So I'm going to use chrome spray paint for
Please
this.
don't spray me.
I'm not.
Don't put it on there too thick.
I'm going to cut the handlebar off right here. Thing does not want to come off at all. And it doesn't matter if I destroy this because I'll be getting a new one. Got it. Now I need to get that thing off. So the last thing I wanted to do in this episode, I was wanting to try to get all the rust off of this light that goes on the front of the bicycle. So this is what we have done today. We took off the front tire, or I took off the handlebar, tried taking off the seat. In the next episode I'm going to be working on it some more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next episode.